Meaning of FM.
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 FM. FM can have various meanings depending on the context. It could refer to a radio broadcasting system that uses frequency modulation to transmit audio signals, or to a type of synthesis used in electronic music production known as frequency modulation synthesis. FM could also stand for F***CKME, a vulgar expression often used in informal communication. Furthermore, FM could represent a company's name or a location code on a map. In summary, FM can have multiple meanings and its interpretation depends on the contextual clues provided.